Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drain the battery on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not, let us update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system, reset phone and reset all settings. Click on resets, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, the last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Use your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if Wi-Fi calling drain the battery on Note 60 Pro. Please subscribe for more latest new videos. Thanks for watching.